Hello, I'm Paulie Capo and welcome to Training Minutes. In this episode, we're going to rescue a firefighter that has fallen through a hole in a peaked roof while working off of his roof ladder. Other firefighters cannot get close to him and pull him out due to the degraded roof. So they're going to use the roof ladder as a Class 2 lever and pull him out of the roof. You see, Dominic did not fall all the way through and he's conscious, so he can be able to assist in this rescue. Let's watch the guys perform the skill.
Hey, give us a hand. Here you go, brother. Here.
This time the firefighters are going to execute the rescue not using the peak as their fulcrum. This is simulating that if the firefighter is not close to the peak, it might decrease the mechanical advantage if the load is too close to the force. So the rescuer is going to create his own fulcrum and move the roof ladder parallel to the ridge.
Hey, brother, give us a hand. Come on, man, put her on. Ready? Yep. Crawl out.
In the event that the firefighter was unconscious and needed to be lowered off the roof, please reference Season 4, when Chief Crawford taught us how to take a firefighter off of a peaked roof. I'd like to thank our sponsor Globe for their dedication to firefighter safety and survival, and St. Petersburg College Fire Training Center. I'm Paulie Capo, and thank you for watching Training Minutes.